Good afternoon. My name is Rodolfo Lopez Gallo, and today I'm gonna talk to you about HSBC, the banking industry, uh, which is what I think is the organizational culture of HSBC, and some proposals that I think this bank could find useful. But and I'd like to begin by with this quote that is something that Steve Jobs used to say, and is that innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity, not as a threat. And I think that this is very interesting because the change could be scary, but I think that the most fun and cool things in life could scare us a bit, but the risk and the result uh, and the result worth is worth it. Um, Now I'm gonna talk to you about the how's the industry and how is HSBC. On 2020, they announced that they had a net profit fell of 35%, which is a lot. Um, Now I'm gonna, well, another fact is that during the pandemic, 73% of Mexicans worked on a remote way, and only 27% stayed the same. And another fact that I think is relevant is that the use of cash is decreasing, and another kind of currency are becoming more common. And if we were 20 years in the past, we would never believe that this could be possible, but now it is. And this tells us how this industry is evolving and is changing. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the OKAI of HSBC, but I think that is important before to mention what is and how does it work. An OKAI is a research method to assess organizational culture, and the way it works is that you distribute 100 points between four competing values that correspond to four types of organizational culture, and one of these is the which I think that HSBC has. Um, well, to the result of this HSBC's OKF, uh, where where these results were gotten by because 55 employees of HSBC of the risk management area gave their opinion and participate on this exercise. Um, I think that is important to say that 29% of these employees had at least 25 years working in this industry, and 3 to 5 years working on this company, 25%, 1 to 3 years, 21%, and less than a year, 23%. This tells that in HSBC, or at least on these employees, uh, almost half of them don't have more than 3 years working on this bank, which I think it's it's not great. It's not. And this is something that HSBC should work. Now these are the results of this OKAI. Um, um, the HSBC's organizational culture, I think, with these results, as we can see on the blue part, is how it is, and the orange is how these employees would like to be. I think that HSBC has a hierarchy culture where rules and policies are the most important things on this company. They're very conservative and they are strict and they have very control, and they are like classic, like a normal company. But for employees one, that is the results on orange. They prefer to have an advocacy culture, where innovation and creativity are the base of this kind of culture, and employees are the people. Yes, people in HSBC want employees to take risks. My first proposal is a collaboration between HSBC and ELTEC. This proposal it's about a day on which students of Tec de Monterrey will work with employees of HSBC, and what they will do is that they will try to come to a solution to a problem. This would happen on December 4th because it's the International Day of Banks. The way it will work is that we will make random teams that will be formed by 7 employees of HSBC and 3 students of Tec de Monterrey, and they will get the problem that HSBC is gonna give them, and I mentioned them on the next slides, and they will expose their proposals, and then HSBC will decide which are the winners, and they will get some prizes. Then the problem to solve will be that will be relation with zero attacks, with customer service that is a problem here in Mexico. The prizes, HSBC employees will receive HSBC points, and the students they could receive a scholarship from HSBC, or they could get an invitation to work there in the future. My second proposal is related with virtuality. As I said on the beginning, during the pandemic, 73% of Mexicans work on a virtuality, and I think that HSBC should give the opportunity to the employees to decide if they rather to work on the office or in their houses. These proposals will create an environment where the teamwork and the collaboration is the base of the company, and it will be aimed and the position, and it will also have a positive effect on the organizational culture. And another benefit is that it will give solutions to real problems that could help HSBC. I'd like to conclude with this phrase that Albert Einstein used to say, and is that creativity is intelligence having fun. Thank you for your attention.